welcome back. Today's video is going to be my August Boxycharm. I get so excited to do these videos with you guys where we go through and we figure out what came this month in Boxycharm. So if you're ready, let's go. So I have my August Boxycharm right here. It just arrived. I'm excited to see what came inside. If you are new to my Boxycharm unboxings or you don't know how the subscription service works, it is a monthly subscription service. It's $21 a month and you receive 4 to 5 full-size products every single month in your box. I will have my link down below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up for Boxycharm, but let's go ahead and see what we got this month. So the theme is the Totally box right here. It's cute. It's like a pink theme. And right here I have number 2 as my box. You guys always want to know what variation mine is. So mine is variation number 2. So the first thing I see in here is from Becca Cosmetics. This is her Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I have tried this out before and I do like it. It's an interesting powder because it has a bit of like a cooling sensation. Here is what it looks like. So it's just a translucent powder. You do get a decent amount in here. Really like the sifter on this as well. It has a nice sifter. So the full price on this one is $39. It's supposed to be a weightless powder that creates a mist-like sensation on your skin. It definitely does, like I said, have a nice like cooling sensation to it. I do like this powder. It's nice to get a translucent powder. I feel like we don't get that very often in here. Next up we have a Wonder Beauty product. This is their Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. The full price on this is $42. So it is going to be a luminizing oil, and let's see what it says about it. So it says that you can gently squeeze the tube, 2 to 3 drops, and use as a moisturizer or as a serum. So here again is what that one looks like. Okay, and then we got something from Tarte in here. It is a mascara. This one is their Big Ego Mascara. It says the price on this one is $23. I've never tried this one, but it is full size. I love the packaging with the pink. I feel like that's really fun. Let's go ahead and see. Ooh, the wand is actually really nice. Here is what the wand looks like. Kind of reminds me of like the Too Faced, like Better Than Sex, or the Covergirl, like exhibitionist wands. I do really like this style of wand, so I'm excited to try this one out. So it does say it's a confidence booster brush, so I'm not exactly sure if this is just supposed to lengthen or thicken or what exactly this one does. I don't really see too much info on this little thing here, but that is excited to get nonetheless from Tarte. And then up next from Steve Laurent, it looks like we have a lip liner. I don't always love it when we get lip liners. I feel like it's kind of just like boring. I feel like we get quite a few of them in the boxes, but this one here is like a deeper nude shade. Right there is a swatch of it. So it is just a wooden lip liner from them, and the price on this one here is $15. And then the very last thing in our box this month is from Ace Beauté, and these are some glitter shadows. So there's actually 2 of them in here. It says that this is a glimmer shadow duo. So they kind of actually remind me of the ColourPop ones, like they're in the same packaging as their like Super Shocks. So the first one I have here is Iced Latte. Here's what that one looks like. It's a really pretty coppery gold shade. Ooh, they feel really, really buttery. Really nice. So here's a swatch of that one. That one is really, really pretty. So these are, again, eyeshadows. So we have that first one, which was Iced Latte. And then the next one, this one is Cotton Candy. So this one kind of looks more of like a pinky coppery shade as well. So go ahead and give this one a swatch. These are really pretty. They're swatching really, really nice. So there is a swatch of that one. Look at both of those. They're so glittery, so nice. So this one again is Cotton Candy. So that's actually a nice little duo, something different in here. And that one, the price on this duo is actually $25 for the 2. It's kind of pricey for like a single shadow, but they look really pretty. Okay, so that is all of our items in our box. So we got the 2 eyeshadows, the full-size mascara, the Glow Ahead Face Illuminator, the lip liner, and then the Becca translucent powder. So we had quite a good box this month. We got a lot of like high-end brands in here with the Tarte and the Becca, Wonder Beauty. So let's go ahead and add up the total of this month's box, and I'll let you guys know if I think it's worth the value. Altogether this month, it's $144 worth of product you get inside of this month's box. So I definitely think it is a pretty good value. We got a lot of really nice full-size products in here. Like I said, Tarte and Becca are some high-end brands, which I always like to have in here as well. I do know I like that translucent powder, so that's exciting. I always like finding new mascaras. So I do think all over, this is a pretty good box. I'm excited to try out those eyeshadows. You guys will have to let me know down below what you received in your Boxycharm this month, or if you are not signed up to Boxycharm, let me know if you're considering it. I'd love to know down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy these unboxings, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.